Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in this simple meditation for slowing down. Make your way to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you in this moment. You can sit cross-legged, you can sit on a chair with your feet rooted. You can even lay down on your back, but just make sure it's not a place where you'll fall asleep. So just give yourself a moment. Feeling into the body so that you really notice any adjustments that may need to be made here. Bringing yourself to that place of complete relaxation. And once you've found that place, settle in, close your eyes, and allow yourself to be still. In this stillness, you may still feel the busyness of your day. So let's see if we can use the breath to help you slow all of that down. And we'll begin to do some box breathing here. So let's all take a deep breath in. Exhale, let it all go. And on your next inhale, breathe in for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath at the top for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom, 4, 3, 2, 1. Taking that again, inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4. Hold for 4. Exhale, 4. Hold for 4. Continue with that count. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. And then just take a deep breath in. A complete breath out. And coming back to your natural breath. Breathe in, feel yourself in whatever space you may be in right now. And breathe out whatever you've brought into this meditation with you today. Any stress, any worries, any fear. And as you begin to let all of that go, just feel the weight of your body get even heavier. Physically release whatever you're holding on to. Find yourself back in stillness, back in this moment. Using this meditation to remind yourself that it's okay to slow down, that it's okay to add rest into your daily practice. And take a moment to check in with yourself. Notice if there's an urge to move the body, to readjust. And maybe see if you can keep the stillness and just breathe through that urge. We're so used to doing or trying or moving or producing throughout our entire day that sometimes the mind takes over. So if there's any uncomfortable sensation in the body, then maybe we really do need to make an adjustment. But if it's just the mind telling you that you need to be doing something, be still. Breathe a little deeper. We cannot see our reflection in running water. It is only in still water that we can truly see. So find those waves of relaxation running through your body, and eventually calming down into complete stillness. Very slowly take the right ear over towards the right shoulder if you're sitting tall. And then gently drop the chin to the chest and take the left ear over towards the left shoulder. And then dropping the chin back down towards the chest. Bringing the head back to neutral. On an inhale, sweep the arms high overhead. Exhale, gather in that goodness and bring it all together, heart center with the palms touching. Namaste.